Crae from Crae Slots, and this is Rolling Hills.
Yeah.
Starting with the pros, it's been a few years since we've been to this casino. Our family goes there frequently, and it's been completely renovated. Really opened it up, a lot of new features and new restaurants. Really great food. We went to Rock and Brew. We went to the snack area that they have. They have the self-serve drinks, which is awesome when you're there for several hours of gambling. People were super friendly, the staff, very professional, really great experiences in the restaurants and out on the casino floor. And security too.
Another pro, slot machine variety everywhere. There was games there we haven't seen in any casinos, but only in Las Vegas on YouTube. The high limit area had full variety of the great games we like to play, in and outside of the room.
Rewards program. If you're gambling there regularly, based on feedback from our family, it's fairly easy to get comped rooms on a regular basis. Also have great entertainment there, a lot of concert series. For example, Pitbull is coming a little bit later this month in September. Big name entertainers.
We stayed in the South Tower, which you will see in the room review. That AC was blasting cold, and we love it when it's cold. It had a nice jacuzzi outside, little waterfall action, and the parking was right there. The hotel, casino, walking distance.
Wrapping up the pros would be that they also have discounted gas, and the gas station is right next to the casino and the hotel, and they're right off the freeway. You literally get off the exit and get onto the frontage road. So very easy access off and on.
Now we're starting the cons. Biggest con for us, drive is 2.5 hours away. While on the way, we're passing 2 casinos.
The biggest con for us as creators, we wanted to be able to bring more content. Reached out to the marketing department in advance. We were asked to submit a bunch of information. We did. I called to follow up. We didn't get a call back prior to visiting the property. So when we went to the property, observed others recording on the casino floor, especially recording their bonuses. So we did the same, and we didn't have any problem. And earlier in the afternoon when we did that, after the concert got out and the security presence increased in the casino area, did get approached twice by security. And the second time I asked to speak to someone who could clarify the rules for me. I was told that we can't film at all on the casino floor if you're in an active bonus. No taking pictures or anything else of the bonus. So as creators, like Flo said, we're passing 2 casinos to get there where we can film in at least one of those. We're still working with the marketing department, and we're hopeful that they'll allow us to come back so we could do more of a vlog style video.
The cigarette smoke was normal compared to other ones in Northern California. As always, our casino wins and or losses never influence our decisions on the review. But this trip was our biggest loss we've had in a long time.
In our reviews, we usually show you our play while we're playing, but out of respect for Rolling Hills, not to put any of that footage in our videos.
Please
Like,
comment,
subscribe, and if you like these review videos, drop a message down below in the comments.